Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta salad with feta cheese. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite short pasta, like rotini or penne, along with fresh vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and a finely diced red onion. Don't forget a block of creamy feta cheese and some fresh parsley or dill to elevate the flavors. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add your 1 pound of pasta. Cook it until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta cooks, finely dice your fresh vegetables, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 crisp cucumber, and half a red onion. Once the pasta is ready, drain it and rinse it thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. Next, we'll create our flavorful dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Now, crumble 4 ounces of creamy feta cheese directly into your bowl of diced vegetables. Finally, add the cooled pasta to the large bowl with the vegetables and feta, then pour the dressing over everything. Toss gently to ensure every piece is coated. Your delicious feta pasta salad is almost ready. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give it another gentle toss and garnish with some fresh parsley or dill. This salad is perfect for picnics, potlucks, or a light lunch. It stores well in an airtight container for up to 3 days. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite recipes or any book, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.